Hello everyone. Today we'll learn how to use the rotate command in AutoCAD. While rotating objects manually might seem straightforward, in AutoCAD, it's essential to use the rotate command to achieve precise results. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Select the rotate command asterisk, type RO into the command line and press enter. Alternatively, you can find the rotate command in the modify panel on the home tab of the ribbon. 2. Choose the object to rotate asterisk. Click on the objects you wish to rotate. Press enter to confirm your selection. 3. Specify the base point asterisk. Click to select the base point around which you want to rotate the object. This base point will act as the pivot. 4. Set the rotation angle asterisk. Type the angle by which you want the object to rotate. For instance, typing 45 will rotate the object 45 degrees clockwise from its current orientation. Alternatively, you can specify a reference angle to rotate the object relative to another angle. 5. Complete the command asterisk. After entering the angle, press enter to complete the rotation. And that's it. You successfully rotated your object using AutoCAD.